Well, it's back. The scourge on my very existence. The bowling ball around my neck. American Idol's back. Oh, yeah. And you know what? I'm starting to think, I might watch this one just a little bit more than the other one. The other one had Paul Abdul, Randy Jackson, who's still back because he can't find anything else to do, and Simon Cowell. Now you got Steven Tyler. I don't know what that does to his rock and roll star card. You have Jennifer Lopez, hot, hot, hot. And you got Randy Jackson. Who's going to be the bad guy? I still think you need a bad guy in American Idol. If you're not a bad guy, if all three goes, oh, that was great. That was wonderful. What do you think, Steven? Oh, man, you cut it, man. You knocked it down. What about you, Randy? Man, there's a record offer in the deal. Boring. No, you need the one guy to go, you sucked. You were horrible. You shouldn't have even been here. You wasted your time. They are going to miss Simon Cowell. But then again, life moves on. They're going to get the money, and let's see what happens. I mean, I'm just saying, brought to you by the fine folks at Rosemont. Maybe they'll have an American Idol at Rosemont Theater someday.